In this video, we will see how we can download and install the latest version of Python using the Python install manager in Windows computer. So here I have opened up the Edge browser, and in the URL bar, we have to enter the website address as python.org, and then we will hit the enter key and it will open up the Python website. And here we will click on downloads. Now once we click on the downloads, we can find the option to download the Python install manager. Here we will use the Python install manager in order to install Python. So we will download this by clicking on this button. When I do that, the download will begin. And once the download is complete, we will click on this open file. It will launch the Python install manager, and we have to wait until this one loads. And here I will minimize the browser. Now once it loads everything, then we can see the option to install Python. If you need any help, then you can click on this get help with this installer option. Here we will click on install Python, and once we do that, it will open up the terminal window, and here it says that Windows is not configured to allow paths longer than 260 characters. Python and some other applications can exceed this limit. Do you want to change the settings so that the applications can have the path longer than 260 characters? Here we will enter Y and then hit the enter key. If it asks for any permission, then click on yes and provide the permission. And then it will talk about the adding the Python installation to the path. So here we will enter Y, which means yes, and then we will hit the enter key. And then it will ask whether do you want to install the latest version of CPython. This is the one you normally get from the python.org website. So here we will enter Y and then we will hit the enter key. Now it will download the latest version and it will install. So we just have to wait for this process to complete. And then it will ask about do you need any help? Here, if you enter Y and hit the enter key, it will open up the Python website where you can find the help. But now I will minimize that. And with that, Python is installed in this computer. In order to check that, if we click on the start button and if we search for Python, then we can find the Python app here and then the Python IDLE and all other programs. And finally, we will check whether the path environment variable has been updated properly or not, so that we can access Python from any folder in this file system. In order to do that, we will open up the start button and we will search for terminal, and then we will open up the terminal, and then here we will type in Python space minus version. And then once we hit the enter key, we will get the Python version that is installed in this computer. So here, instead of any error, if you get this particular message, the version number can be different, then it means that Python has been properly installed in your computer. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.